Hi everyone, hi, welcome back. Today I will make a painting for someone special, and this person loves red. So let's get started. This is a 28 by 20 inch canvas by Winsor & Newton. I'm just wetting it first. I love myself I really love not true red color, so more like brownish red or burgundy red. And this is a transparent red oxide by Golden, and it's such a beautiful color. It's more like an orangey rust shade. Let's start with that. You see? Oh, whoa. Wow. It might be a bit too much, but hey, it's okay. Yeah, you see, it's more like this rustic shade. And I already have a very great starting point, but I do want some parts lighter. And for the background, I'm using Flow 8. This is something that I share in my botanical abstract painting course too. And so this background, I don't have to blend it like perfectly. It will all start melting together and give this beautiful background look. You see, this is like this beautiful orangey sunset color, but I will go in with some red oxide, and that will give more of a red shade. And I don't blend the colors on the background super nice, because I know I will cover this canvas with a lot of different other brush strokes. And so I don't have to put a lot of effort in the blending. All right, so this is how she's looking now. Let's start creating some botanical brush strokes. And I will go again with some transparent red. Let's add some gold to this one. With the first brush strokes, I'm really determining the composition really. Okay, so let's go in with some darker colors. So again, the red oxide and also something like brown. I'm really liking this part. So let's move on to the other side here. I really do like that it's darker here and a little bit lighter here. I think I'm done for now with the red oxide, and we'll start working with some Van Dyke brown and probably some more golds, and then maybe just a little touch of green. I don't know that. You know, this looks super fiery. I'm really enjoying painting this one. Truly hope the person will love this because it's a gift. I must say, I really, really like this composition. Only part I dislike is this here. But we also have some white and maybe just a little bit of green. It's time to start with the white, and I don't like this part here. Everything is quite minimal and delicate, and here it's quite, yeah, I don't know, it just doesn't fit. So I have my white, and let's start there. Let's see if I can fix that for it better. Looks better. Still not really nice. So I have a drop here. So I'm overworking this part, so I need to let that dry and then later revisit that. It's better already. Alright, so still that part needs some fixing. I will come back to that later. I don't like this drip here. It's constantly finding a harmony in the shapes, in the colors, in the composition. Okay, that looks good. Now this part over here. Alright, so now it's coming together a lot more. Quite liking this one. And I didn't even use green yet. So do I want just some gold going there? I think so. As much as I, to my surprise, like the colors, I do want to add some green to make it more cohesive, a little bit more interesting. So I can always mix the green with some of that gold that I have. And let's start adding some of this color. Yeah, I like that. You see how fast I'm doing the green brush strokes. It's just so in my comfort. It just is. A little bit of the Van Dyke brown. Alright. So that might be maybe a little bit too green. So what I will do now is I will add something like brown over this. You know, now looking at this, I feel like there's some yellow, just a little bit of yellow. This is more like it, how I like it. So let me know if you like it more with the green or without the green. I will let this dry, look at it, see if I want to do some touch-ups, and I'll see you.